Heavy snow beats against a lone car driving along a winding, deserted mountain road. Visibility is near zero. Ahmad, late 20s, ruddied, adventurous, grips the steering wheel. His breath fogs inside the car. Ahmad, muttering to himself. Why did I even come up here? This storm's insane. The GPS flickers. No signal. Suddenly, the car hits an icy patch and skids slightly. Ahmad steadies it, eyes wide with fear. A faint light appears through the white haze, a small wooden cabin, barely visible. Ahmad, relieved. Thank God, shelter. He parks and steps out. Snow crunches beneath his boots. The wind howls like whispers. Ahmad opens the door. Inside, a rustic cabin, warm candlelight flickering, cozy but eerie. An old woman, appears 70s, kind face but unnerving eyes, sits by the fireplace. Old woman, you're late? Come in, warm yourself. Ahmad. Thank you, ma'am. The storm. It's bad. She gestures silently to a chair. Ahmad sits, rubbing his hands. He notices strange symbols carved into the wooden beams, almost like eyes staring at him. Old woman, softly. Not many travelers make it here in a storm like this. Ahmad shrugs, nervous. Ahmad? Yeah. I didn't expect this much snow. The old woman smiles. But something about her smile is unsettling. It's too wide, too perfect. The old woman brings a bowl of steaming soup. Ahmad takes a sip, noticing the flavor is oddly metallic. Ahmad. This is interesting. What is it? Old woman. Just a recipe passed down. Warmth for the cold. The wind outside grows louder. Snow hits the windows like nails, scratching wood. Ahmad shivers. Suddenly, he hears a faint childlike giggle echoing outside. He stands, peering through the frosted window. Ahmad. Hello? Is someone out there? No response. Just snow. But footprints appear in the snow outside, leading nowhere. He turns back to the old woman. Ahmad, do you live alone here? She tilts her head. Her eyes glint unnaturally in candlelight. Old woman, I do, and you are welcome. But only for one night. Ahmad laughs nervously. Ahmad, one night? Don't scare me like that. Ahmad tries to sleep upstairs. The cabin creaks. Shadows dance on the walls. He hears whispers. Soft, echoing his name. Whisper V.O. Ahmad, stay forever. He looks out the window. Snowdrifts form shapes humans, moving toward the cabin. Suddenly, the candle flickers violently. Ahmad turns to see the old woman at the top of the stairs, hair flowing unnaturally. Her eyes black as coal. Old woman, now sinister. You shouldn't have come here. Ahmad stumbles back. The door upstairs slams shut. Locked. He tries to break it open. Nothing works. The cabin grows colder, his breath visible in the air. Ahmad notices the old woman has grown taller, her body elongating unnaturally. Shadows cling to her like a cloak. Ahmad, terrified. What are you? Witch. I am the storm, the snow, the hunger that waits for the foolish. She raises her hands. Snow seeps through the walls, freezing the floor. Ahmad slips, nearly falling. Ahmad, please. I just need to get home. The witch laughs a sound like ice cracking. Witch, no one leaves. Once the storm chooses them, Ahmad sees the footprints outside. They now surround the cabin in a circle, moving inward as if alive. Ahmad grabs a heavy chair and smashes the upstairs window. Snow gushes in. He climbs out, slipping down the roof onto the ground. The witch appears at the door, arms outstretched. Snow swirls violently around her. Witch, you can run. But the snow remembers. Ahmad runs blindly into the storm. Visibility near zero. Snow bites at his face. Every step feels slower, as if the storm itself resists him. Ahmad stumbles into a clearing. He looks back. The cabin is gone. Only endless snow. Relief? Until he notices something horrifying. The snow around him forms a circle of footprints, surrounding him like a cage. Whispers grow louder. Whisper, V.O. Welcome. Ahmad, one night, forever. He runs again. The camera pans up. Snowstorm rages. A faint cabin appears in the distance, glowing as if waiting. Ahmad collapses in exhaustion, hiding behind a rock. He glances at his hands, fingers frozen. The wind carries a single echo. Which, V.O.? You will always come back. The snow chooses all who wander alone. The screen fades to white snowflakes. The faint laughter of the witch lingers as the credits appear.